The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. It's Friday. Hope everyone's having a great day so far. Hope everyone had a great night. Market is falling. Morning, Jay. Not afraid of falling. Hey, Black Beauty. Good morning. So you can see NQ just has been doing an absolute nosedive. High of Globex was 11,600. And now we're down to 11,300. Well, the low is 379. It's the lowest we've been since the 30th of June. 16th of June was our low since 2020 at 11,068. We'll see if we continue to die today. Copper's dying. We have red all around, about 400 ticks down. Gold's dying. Wow, everything. I didn't even look at the rest of these. Looks like it's fallen from 85 to 47. 38 points. UltraBond dying. We already talked yesterday that we hit lows we haven't seen since 2014. Crude oil. Wow, crude oil is down to 80 something, 80.82. A little over 3 points of range. And last but not least, natural gas, which seemed to really not care. I guess it was a bigger care than I thought. A 300 ticks. So that's where we sit. Bitcoin also falling back under 19,000. Ethereum back under 1,300. Yeah, UltraBond, we can see here if we go to a daily. Last time we were this low is here, January of 2014. If we get down to 135, then you got to go back all the way to like 2011. So interesting times, my friends, interesting times. Still have not gotten my reset from Tostep. Morning Loper. Is PMI today. Let's check the news. I don't think so, it may be. Today's news is at 8:30. It's here somewhere. We have Canadian retail sales at 9:45. U.S. S&P, yeah, PMI. You're right. 9:45 PMI flash from U.S. S&P Services, Manufacturing, and Composite. Yo, playa, word up. Yeah, that summit way 280s or 90s. We're choppy here. So after that fall, we're leveling out a little bit, but that's a choppy level. Hey, Justin. Yep. Happy Friday. Been a long week. Algo didn't do much overnight since the market was basically moving one direction. I had a few that are up some, a few that are down some. And we gotta talk some. Talk some. It's an old Billy Ray Cyrus song. Just trying to grind up here. On the way down, there was a couple of times could have gotten in, but hard to do that when you're sleeping. And unfortunately, these pullbacks actually throw the bot off. Any downward movement would have worked. Any up would have not worked. And he's trying to. It's back to 11,400. Depending how things play out, it might be a tricky day to trade. But we shall see. What's everything else doing? Let's see here. Yep, there's gold. That amazing move down on gold as well. Trigger candle there. Right before Europe opened. And whoosh. Hey, Dakota. Yeah, the talk was very positive. Uh, Apparently the company's gone through some upheaval over the summer. They have a new CEO, a new CFO. I was talking directly with the CFO, and most likely everything's going to work out. I'll know for sure probably next week. They got to talk some things over with the CEO, but everything's looking good. But we'll know by the end of September for sure. Don't you love that Powell's speaking like at power hour? Well, right before power hour. Power hour's at 3, but still. Yeah, don't you love that pal speaking on a Friday afternoon? The guy needs to just learn to just chill. Go, take a 3-day weekend. I agree. They should get like 3 days a month to talk. So, wow, UltraBond's got some volume already going. Look at the UltraBond. Usually, right at this time of morning, it's still kind of deadish, which is different than a radish. Oh, weird stuff coming out of my mouth. Copper just died. R.I.P. Copper. Grindy, grindy up. Hmm. Well, crap. So last night I had a internet blip right before I went to bed, and didn't realize that NinjaTrader turned off all my bots. So I have no data for overnight bot running. Thought it was weird they all looked so quiet. Oh, big move down. Looks about the bearish. Our low of the day just recently happened. 11,382. That last candle is technically the trigger. I don't know though. I'm not sure we want to paper trade it. See if this works. I hate triggers like that. The trigger was, there was a little bit of spread there between the two candles. The trigger actually would have been between the spread, but this is working. It's going down. Going down, 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 down. Morning, Robin. So another new low of the day here, just slightly. 380. That's nice to hear, Loper. Black Beauty definitely knows her crude. Yes, I mean, that doesn't sound like a compliment, but it is. It's kind of bouncing at the same area that bounced before. So we watch and we wait. Market's trying to turn. You do a U-turn there. We'll see if it can. Agriculture overnight. Just a slight downward slope, it looks like. Just about everything's on a downward slope. It's touching its EMA. Quite inappropriate. That trigger candle actually didn't work yet. Hasn't stopped out yet either, but it's not going 10 points. Right now we're actually kind of in a smaller range here. As the market decides what it wants to do. I really hope that by Monday I have my Tostep account back, because I really want to get the other accounts, Tick Tick and Earn a Trade, or the accounts that should not be named, back on the algos. Because honestly, the algos do much better than me, which is why I'm kind of paper trading here. I'm just, this week's tuckered me out. Nice candle here, 8 points. Just the type of candle you'll find in a high-end retail establishment. Not something you would just get at Walmart. Taking the long here. Wow. Much delay in data there. See if it works. Of 10 minutes to the top of the hour. You see, we had nice moves down. We had one pullback there. The nice moves, and then we got really choppy. Chop Fest City, USA. Looks like it wants to not move up. Just sit here and wait. Sitting on the dock of the bay. I need more. I need different songs. I'm just tired of singing the same songs. So while we sit and watch the market, just kind of do nothing because I knew it came on. I'm gonna eat my breakfast. Got some eggs in front of me. I'll mute and we'll talk if anything exciting happens. See if UltraBond's doing anything. UltraBond is continuing to grind up here, trying to get off of its 8-year lows. Slowly trying to grind up. Wow. And okay, so no longer slow. And there's target. Nope, didn't quite hit it. There's target. So that was a winner. 9 points. Got up to 414 there, pulling back a little bit. No, I'm sorry, it got higher than that, didn't it? No, it was 417. Anybody have any weekend plans? Probably hear my cat talking in the background. Quick move up, pulling back, giving back that whole last candle and more. Quiet too. It's Friday morning. Wake up. Weekend's almost here. Still kind of grindy here. It's at a slightly higher level of grind. Almost finished with the eggs. We're about 3 minutes to the top of the hour. Fortunately, Jay, TradingView doesn't have real Renkos. They still connect them to time, and real Renkos aren't connected to time. The two biggest things that TradingView lacks is uh, real Renkos and tick charts. Glad to hear you're still wearing shorts. I mean, yeah, in shorts. Yep, it was a down night for sure, for sure. How you doing today, Mr. G, besides that? Mind the folks, if you're enjoying today's content, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Continue to let people know you like the channel, like the content, so we can add some more good people to the community. Got any plans for the weekend, G? But it's still September. Oh, that's cool. Sounds like fun. Yeah, I'm joking around. I don't get out much. I will do the same thing I always do on the weekends. I will sleep late, catch up on sleep. I will review the weekly charts, and I may try to get some videos done for the channel that aren't live. Live. Uh, Sideways here. Top of the hour really didn't do anything. Gold's kind of leveled. Crude's a little up and down. UltraBond continues to rise up. And copper's a little bit level. Crude oil's popping up. Slightly. Slightly. Well, NQ just kind of maybe both flags. We'll see. Maybe. Yep. There we go. Big, two nice sized candles there. 10 points for Gryffindor. No, I mean, combined 10 points up. So 1 for 1 on the day. I remember I'm paper trading today because I'm tired. I mean, I should have a Tostep, and they have not gotten me that reset code. I'm a little frustrated by that. I did trade the Tick account last night. Took it down some. I really wanted to get the algos on the Tick and earn the trade, but so far, gonna reevaluate this weekend. Hopefully, I'll have my code to restart Tostep. Do you know there's another exciting change coming to Tostep? I believe they're announcing it on the 4th of October. It's not the big one I've been talking about. I'm not sure if they're announcing that one that day too, but another pretty interesting change. You know, I'm not just saying this because they're my sponsor at this point in time. I would say this even if they weren't my sponsor. Topstep has a chance to regain number one in the market, or be once again talked about as at least one of the top two or three prop firms. Hey, FK. Dakota, I think the guy I talked to, I have a feeling he's on vacation this week and only checking his emails. We've gone back and forth a couple of times, and we decided that it would be better to just cancel and restart because he extended my deal for 45 days because it was supposed to be the end of September when it runs out. And then we just, and then he didn't get back to me after that, but he did tell me about that, that there's another nice change coming. So I think he's on vacation this week, but actually still answering emails here and there. It's just the impression I get. So yeah, it's been fun trying to navigate all this between Topstep and Sharevision, and it's like, when did uh, when did I start, you know, talking to C-level executives? So touching 423 and pulling back. Gold's trying to send a long signal there on the 5. It's not the most convincing long signal in the world. Copper's done the same. UltraBond's pulling back here 10 minutes before its market opens. Trying to continue up, but getting beaten down. Up, just there's another. Yeah, easy for me to say. There's another nice burst up, but right back down. It's struggling to continue this move up. It gets a little burst and gets swatted away like King Kong on the top of the Empire State Building. Continues to try though, so bless its heart. Always good to have your heart blessed. Especially if your heart has a sneezing problem. I don't know, I'm just talking random crap right now. Watch as it continues up. So we have a little bit of news at 8:30 with it's Canadian news. Could affect CFT's ability to buy another Porsche. Continuing to grind up. So we're back up to about 428. You see, this is about where it tried as it was coming down here. Tried to come back up and failed at right at this level, 427, 428. So let's see if it can do that. We'll watch from afar. So wait for our next setup. We are 1-for-1 on trades, but remember we're trading paper today. Next week we start going full out again. This week's just been weird with FOMC, not having the Tostep account available to me, etc. So we'll get things reset, hopefully, and we will continue to make progress, hopefully. Or I'll quit trading and become a monk. See, it's struggling to get back above that level that it struggled at before. And here it comes back down a bit. And there's a trigger candle. Or it's trying to trigger. It is down toward the bottom of the RSI there. It's brushing the bands. These are the worst type of trigger candles. If you don't know if it's just coming down to come back up or if it's going to try and move down, I will hold off on this. Yep, see, right back up. Bounce up. Technically a trigger candle back up now. But we're below the moving average on the RSI. So a bit of a no man's land. Well, when the candles are, that means that it's very tight. It's a tighter range, and uh, the candles are staying within that range. That's why, though, I more look at the third standard deviation than the second. I just said the second there is because it kind of looks weird at the third. I mean, sorry, down, then up, then down. Trigger candle went away. Algo, I'm not liking the chop right now, which is fine. Algos can't always get what they want. Can't always get what you want. There we go. That's a nice trigger. 20 seconds on this candle. Short. Zoom in a little bit there. Flat bands, somewhat. Now it's still slightly uptrending. We have downtrending moving average, got widening bands on the RSI, so we'll see. So it's a harder, it's harder to figure out here when the bands have been uptrending. They're still slightly uptrending, so maybe I should have waited. And we're out. So yep, it baked me out. And back up toward trying to rise up. So it's a pullback. Usually, on the pullback, it's just a clean pullback like that. This time it up, down, up, down. Usually after a second down move, you're gonna want to come down, but it didn't really read the bands. Looked like they wanted to flatten out, but I gotta get better at reading that somehow. Back up, just hit 429. Hi, Dave. No, I did not. It's interesting. 5-minute chart's cleaner right now. Would have gave me a nice little trigger there. Let's see. Going about 18 points. Good morning, Andrew. How's things been going? You've been saying kind of saying good morning lately, and then I don't hear anything else from you. So just wondering how things are going. Thank everyone for hitting that like button. That's okay. I appreciate you stopping in and saying hi. Let us know how you're doing every once in a while. Awesome. Glad to hear that. So it's struggling to get above 430. You can see it's kind of topping here each time. Oh, sorry to hear that, Andrew. Looks like it wants to try again to come down. Maybe I was just premature earlier. Yep, you'd be sending me a short signal right there, though. Right, no, wrong thing. I want paper trading. Six ticks. With a 4 tick stop. We're gonna short UltraBond here. And we're going to check what NQ is doing. NQ is also playing with its EMA. So let's pull up UltraBond. Wait, what happened? Oh. Oh, that's what happened. Never mind. There we go. That's easier to see. Just trying to bounce here. I just kind of jumped in. I didn't even read the. It's really wide bands there, and it stopped out. So glad this is paper. Did this nice move up, nice move down. Thought we were just get a nice move down, but I didn't read the RSI well or at all. Back to NQ, where I belong. It's my home. And down. Or it's trying again. Trying again. Definitely seems like a slower morning, and we did have news there, and you can see how much it kind of moved the market. Not much news. It was Canadian news. Let me find it. Canadian retail sales numbers not in. There it is. Canadian retail sales negative 2.5%. They expected negative 2%. Core retail sales, negative 3.1%. They expected negative 1%. So both numbers were a miss. Sounds like CFT needs to do some more buying. Taking a short here again. So let's mark these. This is a failure. The trigger candle back up would have been a failure too. Failures, failures, all of you. Not you guys, I'm talking about the candles. The candles in the wind. I was right. It's not a wide enough stop on UB. It came down, and it came down nicely. Struggling to come down further. Stop is basically just slightly above that last big candle. It's iffy here. About 55 minutes until the bell. There we go. Trying to push back down. You can see we chopped around in this area. You better chop around. So it might try and chop around in this area again. They're the Bulls and the Bears battle. Back up. I'm still thinking down. hanging out here. 11,410. There's a move down. Just trying. Yeah, almost there. There it is. So target hit. That's a winner. Two wins, one loss on NQ, one loss on UltraBond. Just trying to break back through 11,400. Oh, Rod, how are you doing? Bounces off 400. Back up. Back up, back up. NATA, the warrant to the G. Definitely, after that nice move down, there's not seeing huge oomfies here. And it's going to try to come back down. Gold will rise up, giving it back, coming back down. Crude oil coming down. Energy's market opens in 20 minutes. UltraBond, so UltraBond came down a little bit and then whooshed up. Still trying to rise up out of the doldrums. Hanging right above 11,400. Yep, Rod, I agree. That is definitely a good way to look at it. Just hanging here above 400 as it tries to come back down. Thank you for that reminder, Mr. G. And this is not real exciting right here. Come down 10 points off that trigger, which we got. We got our 10 points there. So we'll mark that with a purple. And we are watching for any type of movement here that's, exciting in any way. We don't have a ton of excitement right now. We want excitement. We want excitement. We want to see the market go down another 100,000 points, which of course would be impossible. We want chaos. Back up, touching its EMA. Downward trending moving average on the RSI. I'm not trusting it. Think we're more likely to bounce. It's trying. It's trying to prove me wrong. A nice candle. 7.5 points. So let's see what happens after this candle. Let's see if it proves me wrong or right. So I don't know if there's any major big news next week. I think we might have a calmer trading week next week. Last week of September. September has proven to be bloody like its reputation. look on our daily chart. We started September not as bloody as I thought, but mainly because it started with Jackson Hole. This was Jackson Hole where we lost 535 points. But here is the start of September. We opened September at 12,284. So we've lost at this point about 900 points. But it did try and pop up first before getting absolutely destroyed on that one day. I believe it was CPI day, yeah. From that high, 12,987, we've come down 1,600 plus points. So, and of course from the high in August, middle of August, we've come down 2,400, almost 2,400 points. So, bloody September. Right back down. So I was right not to trust that. So with 10 minutes to go until the energies market opens, crude's trying to stay above 80. Nice flush down back under 400 here on NQ. Let's see what happens. Low of the day, 11,380. Good morning, baby fish. Nice bounce there. Back up over 400. Tries to pop back up. Up, down, up move. That is a nice wick on that candle. It's a beautiful wick. How are things in the pond, baby fish? I'm hanging in there. Here comes NQ trying to break back down under 400. Nice, Dakota. Very nice. Yep. So it had some indecision in this area, and then it found its way. Let's try and so that wick down there may have been another way to rubber band it back up. Hit 393, back up to 16. So yeah, it was a nice move up. This is actually the trigger candle, nice strong candle. So yeah, 5 minutes before the top of the hour. Every time I say that, I feel like I should say traffic and weather are coming up. I feel like this has been a long week. I don't know why. I don't like feeling like this because that means I really haven't enjoyed the week at all. The week hasn't been fun, and I was really hoping for a good week this week. So I'll have to definitely recharge this weekend. Yep, no follow through right now yet. Pulling back. Top of the hour here in a minute. Sideways. Sideways. We're just going sideways. And down. Getting a little jumpy here as we reach the 9 o'clock hour. Chumpy. Ooh, wow, look at Crude. Boom. 48 ticks down, trying to stay above 80. What was the last time we were below 80? Wow. Energy markets selling crude off. 80, there's 79. Baby fish, what's going on? You see natural gas also falling. There's crude. Let's go to a daily chart. And you can see the last time we were here at this price, looks like January 11th. Yeah, it looks like January 11th was the last time we were under $80. It got above 80 that day and hasn't looked back until now. Now it has bounced right back above 80, but that was a little fun to watch. Ended up being a 76 tick 1 minute candle. Crude oil natural gas continues to grind down. Do you think crude heads lower, babyfish? Or I think you said you expected it to stay in a range, but I think it's at the bottom of that range now. NQ. So I thought you still expected to stay there, not go much lower. Nice little pop up here. Oh, big pop up. 15 points. So wow, they decided to buy. So we're now higher than we've been now for 3 hours or so.
Trying to get back up to this area. Be interested to see if we go long or short at the open. This is definitely a nice move up. Like I said, this was a trigger candle, and it, well, with a 10-point stop, it would have worked. As you can see, oops, moving the whole thing. 25. And they're just, all of a sudden, it's sort of exploding up. 40 points off that trigger, which happened 5 minutes before the top of the hour. So 40 points in the last 9 minutes. Crude struggling to hang above 80. Gold's popping up as well by 4 points. Did we get any type of news, or just everyone wanting to buy all of a sudden? Good morning, Ace. Rod, you have a revenge trading account? Sorry, I'm in the chuckle, but that caught me off guard. And right back down. So we hit 462. Remember, we were just hovering around 400 10 minutes ago, but now we're giving this candle back down is 20 points. He said the same thing. He said the same thing I did. That's actually a pretty smart idea. Oh no! I mean, actually, as I said, it caught me off guard and made me chuckle. But it's not a bad idea. Heck, for those that have this real brokerage accounts, grabbing a $30 eval for that purpose, not a bad idea. Ace is thinking of long. Markets definitely roared to life. Folks, Ace joined me last night on Sharevision for a little bit, and he actually got a point out of the market. You should all join me on Sharevision, Sunday through Thursday, 7:45 Eastern. So we trade Asia, not the whole country. I couldn't find a buyer for the whole, continent. couldn't find a buyer for the whole continent. But when we trade the Asia session, we're continuing to rise up here. Yeah, it was definitely a range night overnight. I mean, I'm sorry, a trend night overnight. Yeah, I definitely agree there, Fish. Gold is just dropping like a, wait for it, wait for it, rock. But yeah, Ace, my algo that's up 17,000 uh, since the 4th of September. 70% of that's come from overnight, from like 2 a.m. to 7 a.m. So we're just kind of watching NQ rise. Is it going to make it back to 11,500? What's our high of the day? Uh, High day was first candle. No, high day was third candle. 11,600. So it's still got a way to go. Nice job, Ace. Great call there. As usual, if I would have jumped in along there, I would be up 400, 500 bucks. Be careful with ticks. They give Lyme disease. Crude under 80 and falling. Gold is popping up, but amazingly weak overall. Copper popping. Hopping, stopping, popping like the copper. And UltraBond continuing to try and grind up back above 140. Remember I said UltraBond had hit a 14-year low. Last time we were as low as we hit over the last 2 days was early 2014. Andy, I actually have 27 different tests running. The one that's doing that well is it's NQ 1 minute, 30-point profit target, 15-point stop loss with some uh, settings that move up the stop at certain levels. I had a mullet once. 27 tests. As you can see, there's more red than green today, but it's not terribly red. But yeah, 27 tests. I'll probably cut a few this weekend. But yeah. Each have their own sim account on NinjaTrader. Each have slightly different parameters. It's actually 29. 27 are NQ. I have one with copper and one with ES. It's kind of stalling here. Hit a high of 481 on that move. Just kind of hemming and hawing now. Yeah, UltraBond is continuing to roll up here. This, you can see I got stopped out on that attempt to move down, but it would have worked if I had a wider stop. This was the trigger right there. Let's see. Wait a minute. I just did the wrong one, but it actually, with a 5-tick stop, it actually would have stopped me out. So that would not have worked. Then this is the trigger that ended up working. You can see from that trigger, 139.14 to now 140.26, almost a point and a half. Up, down. Maybe we're heading back down. We are 14-ish minutes from the bell. Yes, you did, Ace. That's why I didn't try and talk you back, talk you into getting back in. I didn't want to have the fact that you couldn't feed your family on my head, on my conscience. See, the subscriber number has popped up by 1. Welcome to the new subscriber. Andy Garcia, if was that you? Because I'm not sure I recognize your name. If not, whoever the new subscriber is, feel free to say hello. Thank you for joining us. Welcome to the herd. Bricks? Basically, yes. I'm looking for a color change, meaning the slope has changed color, changed direction, and uh, move through that EMA. And then I look at other factors quickly to try and determine whether or not it seems like a good signal. Nice job, Dakota. Thank you, Andy. I appreciate that. I may do a video this weekend because everyone's been asking for it on my strategy. Because I believe in the strategy, I believe in and I see how the algo works the strategy. I just, so far, I'm not, I don't execute it well. So anyway, this one, 1193. So this one actually did work. Would have been 11 down to 93, so it would have been more than 10. And then this one worked back up. Obviously that one would not have worked. I wouldn't have taken it. It didn't take, excuse me, hiccup. It bounced off that moving average on the RSI. Nine minutes till we hear the ding, the ding-a-ling. Ring-a-ling, my ding-a-ling. So we wait. Sideways action as we head toward the bell. What do you think, guys? Up or down today? Back down toward lows or back up toward highs? Will it take us higher? Good answer, Ace. Good answer. Oh, a little bit move up here. Uh, no RJ today. No Matt today. Both of them are doing family stuff. Putting family before trading. What are they thinking? Where are their priorities? Oh, I agree, Ace. But if uh, his birth family is a family of serial killers, so move down here after getting up to 482. Kind of up and down as we head toward the bell. Ring, ding, 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 ding. Yep. Dip down, back up. Two minutes to the bell. I'm thinking down. I'm thinking down here at the open. But goodness knows I've been wrong before. 45 seconds. $15. Ding, 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 ding. Dong, 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 dong. So it's probably getting annoying now, right? As I chase off all the new subscribers, I don't realize how weird I am. So, yep, there's the move down. Down 12 points. So the flush down was about 20 points total. Let's see if it continues to push. 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 Yep, back up. That gave everything back. I mean, gained everything back, I guess I should say. We are kind of glargity glarg. Up and down and up. Nice move down here. So looking at the 5 minutes, down 27 points. ES is down 6 in that. Nope, I'm sorry, that's the 1 minute chart. ES is down 10 points. NQ's down about 30 as it continues to move down. Algo's liking it. It likes it. It loves it. It wants some more of it. Back up about half that candle. So strong move back up here. 25 points back up. And down. Hey, chef. Welcome. What's cooking? I use that joke way too often with chef. Yeah. Even the Earn to Trade Discord today is kind of quiet compared to normal. Pushing back down. No John DeFore again today. I'm really kind of worried about him. Worried about Crypticon too. Look at that flush down there. 27, 28 points. Well, I said I thought down, and I was right. Actually, no, Ace. A couple nights ago, the Wednesday night, he was on Sharevision. He said the market chopped him up and he lost everything, and he needed to go out and apply for a job. And long enough to get some money for a reset, and also, and we thought he was joking, but we haven't seen him since. So, I mean, I'm not sure what happened because he said he was making thousands at a time trading 12 to 18 contracts. So, I'm not sure. Also, I haven't been seeing Reggie much lately. He was here a couple days ago. The people, you don't realize, I know when people are missing. So, as we watch NQ just free fall here. So I really ask, if you decide you're gonna take a break or leave trading or fall down a well or whatever, let me know so I at least know what happened to you. I hate losing track of people. Yeah, I can do that, Ace.
Give me a few. A little bounce here. Oh yeah, definitely. But he seemed like he had good risk management. I don't know. Like he would take very quick stops. I don't know. I just don't know. Like I said, I hope he's okay. Great job, Rod. That's right. We have news. Thank you for that reminder. Ace just sent you email. Hanging around 415. Hanging. Thank you, Ace. Just kind of sitting here. What's everything else doing? Wow, crude fell to under 79, bouncing back up from there though. Gold tried to come up, made a nice move up like 10 points and just gave it all back. How nice of it. UltraBond appears to be leveling out, maybe heading back downish. Copper, big fall. Agriculture, falling at the open.
We are back under 400. I think I said low of the day was 380, and I think it just touched 380. It was a quick touch. Touched 380 and then boom, back up by 40 points. Chef issues? It's quite the candle there all of a sudden. Oh yeah, that's right, news. Duh. I forgot the news. And Dakota just said it 2 minutes ago. Uh, wow, chef. So the news, because I'm an idiot. U.S. S&P Services PMI flash was 49.2. Expected was 45.5. The manufacturing PMI flash was 51.8. Expected was 51 even. And S&P Composite PMI flash was 49.3. Expected was 46.1. So big beats on all of that. Beats by PMI. Quite different than beats by Dre. Uh, Jeff, when you have a chance, post where about that, what your settings and what you did there. NQ's now trying to pop back up. So we saw it hit 380, which is the low of Globex. Now it's trying to pop back up, but this is choppy with big candles, so it's kind of hard to play. Some algos love it, some algos hate it. I think that's okay. If they don't give me green profits, I'll just walk away. Beautiful. And back down. So even with that little bit of a boost, it seems like it can't get positive momentum. I have days like that. I get up and just can't really get it going. Usually only on the days that end in Y. As it tries to break the low of the day. I am right. That's low of the day, right? 79.5. Yep, there's the break. So we're now low of the day. Lowest number we've seen since January. No, wait, June. Sorry, June. New poll up there. Will NQ break below 11,000 before the end of September? Give your opinion. Vote early, vote often. Down though, just continuing to fall. And continuing down. Have no resistance levels for this. Not unless you go back 3 or 4 months. Popping, popping, popping back up a bit, but it's not really getting much momentum back up. Watching it back up to 86. So our low now, 363. It popped back up on that last candle all the way up to 94. So you can see we're seeing big candles here, and it's just up and down. It's up and it's down. It's left and it's right. Little Katy Perry. kind of gyrating sideways here. See what everything else is doing. Gold falling again. I haven't even checked it or let's check the daily chart on gold. Nothing else going on right now. Looks like we haven't been this low on gold since coming back from the COVID crash in early 2020. Morning, Burl. How you been doing, Burl? The market tried to fight back this morning, and right now the bears are winning. Not something you hear much in the Chicago area about bears winning. I'm doing all right. Yep. NQ's did a yearly low 11,068. Make sure everyone votes in the poll. It's just a fun poll. Do you think NQ will break 11,000 before the end of September?
Next week I'll be doing a poll. Do you think we're going to zero? As we continue to grind down. UltraBond now kind of sideways. Copper continuing to head down. Natural gas trying to curl up. Crude now well below 79. Here's Nightbot just as we are at the top of the hour. Nightbot just reminded everybody. It looks like I am staying on Sharevision for now. we'll find out for sure next week, but we will be doing our normal Sunday night broadcast. Sunday through Thursday, 7:45, the Asia session. How low are we going to go today? Maybe we'll hit 11,000 a day. It was a pretty. It seemed like a pretty positive call, Burl. I apparently the company is going through some sort of shakeup over the summer. They have a new CFO, a new CEO. I ended up talking directly with the CFO. For new creators, and I mean this is insane on their part. For new creators, they want people that have 10,000 followers on another platform like YouTube or Twitter or whatever, and 100 views per stream. And no one with 10,000 followers is going to go to Sharevision at this point in time. So, but anyway, he said that he does value me, and he's going to talk to the CEO, and most likely get me an exemption to those new parameters, where I'll still be able to get paid at the same level I was. So, I'm waiting to hear back from him talking to the CEO, but I'm expecting positive. Now, if the CEO ends up being a jerk or whatever, then things could change. But they seem to like what I'm bringing to the table, and I told them right out. If I leave Sharevision, then the amount all just about all my followers will never come back to the platform. uh, you know, it seems like they are now. Now that they're through that upheaval, they are trying to work on improving the platform. So, but it was kind of weird. They said that their end game is eventually to add advertising to the streams, but they all said they don't know where they might get advertising inventory from. So I don't know what their long-term game plan is to try and actually generate actual income once seed money starts going away. So continuing to watch NQ hang around 11,350 now. Exactly. I don't know what they're thinking with that. I mean, I will admit the amount that they pay me per stream is yeah, I never expected it to stay that amount for a long period of time, because it's way more than like on YouTube. I'm averaging about $3 a day. So I mean, I know it's a big amount, but in the same token, if they're trying to grow the platform, I do everything I can for them. I promote them on my YouTube, my Twitter, my Reddit, my Facebook, and Instagram. So I'm giving them exposure. I mean, you guys hear me talk about Sharevision way more than you probably want to here on YouTube. So I don't know many others that are probably giving them the exposure that I'm trying to. I mean, obviously I'm still a small fry overall, but I'm a growing fry.
If you look at a lot of the videos on the channel, I mean on the platform, even from the one, the big companies and stuff get like 10 views. I do pretty good in views. I would like to increase my views. So if anyone's ever bored and wants to go and give me some views on Sharevision, I would appreciate it, even if you can't be there for the live broadcasts. So it's kind of gotten a little bit boring here, and so you just kind of see NQ just kind of it's trying to come back up some. Low now, 338, up back up to 360. That's a good question, Dakota. Uh, Very good question. I don't think so, but I'm not 100% sure on it. They also mentioned something about starting to give like $5 for every new person that signs up. I don't know whether that's going to happen or not. I was getting 50 cents to sign up. Yeah, I think Ace is right. For a viewed account, it has to you have to be on the video and have the video running for 30 seconds, and that counts as a valid view. Yeah, I mean I have the third most followers on the platform, and I mean I think I give them probably the biggest. Well, me and there's another guy that I actually talk to. I think he goes by Chaos something now. He's number 5 in the amount of followers. It's like I'm I'm guessing you do, Dakota. We would have to test that one day when you tell me you look at a particular video, and I can then check see if the view count changed. Hanging here at 11,360. Nothing else really. Nothing else really. Oh, we just touched EMA touch. We touched the EMA strong downtrending bands though. Yeah, that sleep stuff just gets in the way. We got candles hanging on the EMA line like laundry blowing in the wind. Wow, Rod. How much sleep do you end up getting? Kind of like this. I think we might take this here. I don't know. I mean, it's a 13-point candle up. Maybe not. You know, it's hard to tell here. Let's look. There's a pullback. Take a nap at the bank. Going long here. Oh, no. Right back down. That was a bad idea. Stopped out. Ah, stopped out, went back green. Wait, what? Uh, oh. Pulling back. Oh. Okay. Have a great weekend, Dakota. Thank you for being here. And we will see you next week. And market's not sure where it wants to go. I don't know where it's going. I only know where it's been. I'm still thinking upwards, but you know. Well, Rod, you need to get your trading to where you can replace your bank job. Nice rise up here. I was right. I just didn't have a wide enough stop, unfortunately. Unfortunately, 373. It dropped down to 3656. So we're still hanging in this area. You can see we've consolidated now here with wicks notwithstanding. for the past few minutes. I mean, we consolidated, moved up, went up a floor and consolidated here. I want to thank everybody for joining me today. If you haven't hit that like button yet, I appreciate it if you would. If you're enjoying the content, I don't want you to feel any pressure if you're not enjoying the content. Although I'm curious why you're still here. A lot of fun consolidation here. Back up, strong candle. Back down, strong candle. Invincible. Watching in here and watching. And we're just watching. Watching. Nothing really exciting here. Gold would have been exciting. AQ, just up and down. So how's everyone else doing today? Have we taken many trades? Are we up? Are we down? Are we left? Are we right? Merge account, awesome. Anyone else? Anyone else taking trades today? A lot of regulars haven't been here today. No James, DeRess, no. A lot of people I haven't seen in a long time, like G-Cart. So we have about a little over half an hour to go. We're hanging right on the EMA right now. Well, this has gotten like a boring. What's Lean Hogs doing? Oh, Lean Hogs dropped. Drop them like they're hogs. Drop them like they're hogs. Drop them like they're hogs. Bitcoin. Look at that fall on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Down, down, down in a burning ring of fire. This is just yucky. Yucky, 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 yucky. Look at that spike down there on crude. All the way down to 78.36. Hey, Glitch, how you doing today? Yep, there's a move upwards. So look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 straight candles all touch the EMA in some way. It finally looks like we're going to break away. Give me a break. Give me a break. Break me off a piece of that NQ bar. NinjaTrader seems to be having more and more problems for people. Wow. Yeah, Glitch has been having problems where it's showing like way off. Oh, burst up here, back up over 400. Ace, I would tend to agree, but James DeRest, who's also been also a viewer here, was having that same issue for a few days. He was seeing huge spreads. Yeah, that would not be a fun time. Pulling back. 1030 now. Staying right under 400 and pulling back down. Back up. Consolidating at a higher level.
Yeah, that is really weird.
When was the last time you cleaned your database?
Hmm. No idea. Yeah. Uninstall, reinstall, something, something. Yeah, sorry guys. Ooh, big burst down. 19 points. Market's not sure what it wants to do here. I'll take a short. I would not have taken, I'm gonna admit, I would not have taken that short if I wasn't paper trading this today. Also, what? Oh yeah, okay. I'll be spending some time this weekend again doing data analysis. Trying to crack the code, as they say. Not that I think there's a code to crack. I know it's not like that. By cracky, I cracked the code. Oh, look at that. Looky there. It. Wow. It just. It hit my profit target. It didn't fill. Algo Burrow is results today are a little bit skewed because of an internet issue. It didn't run overnight, and actually, it turns out the algo does best during Europe. But the main algo was up $17,000 as of yesterday. It's down today about 2K. But number two algo, that's been doing the best. That's been up about 10K since beginning of last week. That one's up about 1,300 today.
But without London's results in there today, the numbers are skewed because it missed that big move down overnight. But yeah, definitely, that main algo test, you know, between like $15,000-$16,000 this month is not bad at all. This is just kind of hanging here. It stayed in profit. By the way, look at this. If you see my target's at 11,363.75, and this candle touched that and it did not fill. Bro, I sent you a message on Discord. Yep. Up and then down. Message went bye-bye. Yep. Wow, look at that. All of a sudden, boom, back up. So I did not get filled on my profit target, and now it looks like it's going to stop out. Luckily, this is paper trading, or I might punch the screen. No, I'm not violent. Didn't stop out. Now, I got within 2 ticks of my stop. Talk about a frustrating trade. Yep, yep, out. So that definitely did not work. Well, it kind of worked. I mean, it just didn't fill me. It reached my profit target. Bite my tuchus. And this one would definitely have worked. Back up. So maybe I should have got out once it, once it breached back up. And yep, continuing up. Boom. Boom goes the dynamite, as they say. Back up over 400, or it was for a half a second. See this up here, got up to 407, 406, so on and so forth. It looks like it's struggling to get it right there again at 405. So nice move up there. Would have got about 25 points off that trigger candle. Continuing to rise up, or trying to rise up. See if it can break above that resistance. Still having troubles. Not again. Failed again, again, and again. It's a failure. So, waning minutes here. We have about 10 minutes left, unless something exciting happens. Never can tell when something exciting might happen. But today, after we had a nice move down, but mostly a choppy day. We had a chop back here. Now this grind up chop. It's a trigger candle back down, but do you trust it? Do you, punk? Hey, Freighter, how you been doing? I read that wrong at first. I had to reread it. Thought you said making porcupine patties. I'm like, what? Is this a new meat I have not heard about? I should have trusted it though. Look at that move down. Popping back up though. So how far did that go? 84 down to 69. So 15. So yeah, we'll give that a purple. Give it a purple nurple. Strong candle back up, 21.5. Well, that's a good thing, Freighter. Still heading up, so back above 400. This is still, I mean, I'm in this range now, and we were in this range earlier, if I remember. Kind of here-ish. Here-ish. I saw on the Discord that Dow was grinding down better. I kind of agree. The Dow is a more down grindy, and I didn't realize Dow fell below 30,000. Missed that. Apparently it happened overnight. Hanging around 11,400. So how's everyone feeling going into the weekend? Remember, if you're trading later in the day, Powell's speaking in the afternoon. Rising up. This is an interesting, look at the trigger candles. Is that, the safer play would have been 10 points or 12. Obviously, I didn't get filled on that one, was exactly 15. But each one of these are actually working for 10 to 15. This one's now 96. It just hit 19, so that's over 20. So all of these would have worked. Boom, 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 boom. Actually, the trigger candle is that. But they wouldn't have worked for much more than after that. and back down. So, I mean, just sine wave pattern here. And back down. So definitely, I mean, I like that wick there. That was a definite sign that it was coming back down. Could have grabbed it even before the trigger. Pushing down. So this would have been another trigger candle that would have worked. So I could have taken 5 straight trades and gotten 10 points on each trade. Now, I mean, this one worked too, but there was no way to know that that was going to be a trigger candle after that. That was just ugliness. Ugly, 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 ugly. And would you believe it was ugly? $37 in ES? Yes, it is. What's ES's, forget. Yeah, I checked this yesterday and then I forgot what ES's low of the year was. I think I would remember this stuff. But that was like so yesterday. Looks like 36.39. Yeah, 36.39 was the low. We're hanging right about 3,700. So could see that probably maybe Monday or Tuesday if we continue this move down. And if we break that, then we go all the way back to December of 2021. I'm sorry, February of 2021. And back to NQ. So I think we're going to call it here for the week, guys. Remember back on Sharevision Sunday night. I feel like this was a dull week for the streams, and I apologize for that. This hasn't been real exciting. We're going to get back to better content next week. More trading, more singing, more money. Money, 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 money. So back here, 7:30 a.m. on Monday. I hope you'll join me then. And talk to you all then. I hope you all have a great weekend. Thanks, guys. Bye.
I hope you enjoyed today's live stream. If you did, I'd love if you hit the thumbs up button. Remember, we do stream every morning on YouTube and Twitch from 7:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. and every evening on Sharevision from 7:45 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. and every Friday from 2 to 4 p.m. Also, I'd love to have you follow me on social media. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram at MightyOxTrading, and Reddit at r ox market trading. Have a great day.